Пошел.
Okay guys, this is the part 2 of the Greenworks pressure washer. In part 1 I was received the gun, supposed to be assembly with the hose, but the hose was missing, so they sent me a hose. Now I received the hose, and now I will try to connect all together and see if it's work, or I will need some other parts. So in order to do this, I'll put some grease on these connectors here, because it's water constantly running through. And this part is very important, so it's not gonna rust. We're gonna put some grease here. And this is the synthetic grease. It's good for any application. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, it's good here, and it's good here. So if you have this pressure washer and you have a problem with the gun or hose, you can buy this replacement kit from Greenworks or from Lowe's. Actually, Lowe's will be the best place. It's you can go there anytime. It's gonna cost you $35, and basically you can save your pressure washer and use it. Everything works. Thank you for watching.